differently abled people? Who are differently abled people? There are some people who are different from us. They are special people. The people who cannot see, hear, speak, or walk like everyone else, they are called differently abled people. Through different techniques, they are taught to overcome their disability to lead a normal life. There is ability in disability. Disability is not a disease. We should always treat differently abled people with love and care. They are not different, they are special. How differently abled people lead a normal life? People with disability lead a normal life by using some special aids. Let us discuss them to understand the life of differently abled people. People who cannot speak or hear. People who cannot hear or speak learn to communicate through sign language. They are also taught lip reading so that they can understand what others are saying. That means when someone talks to them, they try to read the movement of the lips to understand the word or a sentence. People who cannot see. People who cannot see learn to read using the Braille script. This script has letters with raised dots in a set pattern. People who cannot see can feel the raised letters with their fingers. They use Braille script to study in special schools. People who cannot walk. People who cannot walk take the help of various walking aids like walking stick, wheelchair, and crutches. With the help of the above, they can walk and do their work. People loses limb due to an accident. If a person loses a limb due to an accident, they are fitted with an artificial limb. Artificial limb help them to walk normally and do their work. Polio. Polio is a disease. Children suffering from polio learn to walk with the support of calipers. If a person is vaccinated with polio vaccine, he or she will not get infected from polio virus. That is why it is important to give polio vaccine or drops to the small children till the age of 5. Now, what is our responsibility towards differently abled people? It is our responsibility to make them feel like one of us. We should never make fun of them. We should never tease or hurt them. We should be always friendly with them. We should always play with them and make them happy. We should always help them in their work if they need. Play with them and make them happy. Now, I will show you some famous personalities who never allowed their disability to come in the path of their success. Nicholas James. Nicholas James is an Australian motivational speaker born without hands and legs. He is a painter, swimmer, skydiver, and an author. Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran lost her leg in a road accident. She opted for an artificial foot. She is a very famous dancer and television actress. Arunima Sinha. She is an Indian mountain climber and sportswoman. She lost her leg in an unfortunate train accident. She climbed Mount Everest with an artificial leg. I ended this topic by sharing a beautiful quote with you all. Never ignore somebody with a disability. You don't realize how much they can inspire you. Our next topic is old age. Old age. Old age weakens all the senses. It makes the body weak. The body reactions become slow. Old people are not able to listen, see, and hear properly. They are unable to do their own work. We need to understand these facts and be sensitive towards the aged in our homes and society. How we can help elderly people? We can help them in their work. We can talk to them so that they do not feel lonely and bored. We can go for a walk to the park with them. We can wish them by giving cards on their birthdays and anniversaries to make them feel special. Now I am going to share information with you. As we have discussed about artificial foot in the topic differently abled people. Artificial foot was invented by Dr. Pramod Kumar Sethi and he lives in Jaipur. Now we will take a short recap of the chapter. There are some people who cannot speak, hear, see or walk. They are called differently abled people. Differently abled people use various methods like sign language, braille script, etc. to read and communicate with others. In old age, people become weak and frail. Differently abled and aged people should be loved and respected. I hope I am clear with the topic. Keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.